Hello everyone, this is a complete tutorial of ImageJ software. First, I'm going to tell you how to download it and then I'm going to tell you how to use it efficiently. Type ImageJ on Google and open the first link. Here, click download and click this one. If you have Linux or other operating system, you can download the software as well. It does not need installation, just open up the folder and just start the software. Allow. So this is our ImageJ software. Now you can upload and some images here, like I have these two. Just drag and drop in the software and these are open now. These are some images of polyester fiber. This one is pure polyester fiber, and after some surface treatment I got this images. You can see the clear surface treatment here. So we are going to measure the diameter of these fiber before and after surface treatment. So first let's take this image. So as you can see, this is the pixel on the right corner, upper right corner, the pixel of this image, and 1280 and 960. 1280 is horizontal images pixels and 960 is vertical. Let's take the length tool and measure the length from here to here. Okay, now go to analyze, measure. We have a shortcut as well, control M. So we'll be using control M. So this is the measurement, 506 pixels from this point to this point. So we have a known distance that this 506 pixel of this image is 100 micrometer. So go to we have this value here, go to set scale. So we have to tell the software that these 506 pixel are 100 micrometers. So this is distance is 100 and the unit is, you can type U and M here. Before clicking OK, let's see, this is um, uh, for clicking OK, let's take few more measurements as there is our human errors. Let's take 5 measurements and take the average. This is another one, control M. See, there is a 1 micron difference, 1 pixel difference. So another third measurement, control M, and there is slight difference as well. So again, control M, this is fourth, and again control M here, this is the fifth one. So we have 5 measurements here. Go to results and click summarize. So you get the mean value here, 503.812. So we will be using this value in our set scale. So the last value is already automatically appeared here. So we will not be using this one. We'll be using the mean value, 503.812. The known distance is 100 and the unit is UM. So it automatically detects that if 100 micrometer is 503 pixels, then 1 micrometer is 5.038 pixel per micrometer. So click OK. Now the software know this 100 micron is. So you can clear it completely. So now we are ready to measure the diameter. So we have the length tool. Let's start with this fiber. Click here and click here and control M. So this is our first length, 12.53 micron. So let's take few more measurements. Control M, 12.029. Take another one. If you take a lot of measurement, the human error will be neglected. Let's take from another place. So let's change the fiber. Take this one, control M. Again change the fiber. Control M from this place, control M. Let's change the fiber again. We have not taken from this fiber. Control M. So we have total 8 measurements. There is a slight difference. So go to results and then summarize. So here we got the mean value of 13 micron for diameter for this fiber. So you can note it down and close this image. Don't save, you can save it as well. So ready to take this image now. So the scale we set was for the previous one, not for this one. This one is already in pixels. So clear it. We have to clear 2 times. So now we already have the line tool. So this is the scale part. We'll select the length tool here. Click here and here, Control M. Now you can see it's 10148 pixel. So this is 768 and 762 pixels. So this value again is coming from pixel. Let's take few more measurements. Control M. Let's take another one. Control M. This is another one. Control M, and lastly the fifth one. Control M. So now let's take the mean value of this results. Summarize. The mean value is 147.811. Go to analysis. Here type 147.811. Here the known distance is 20 micron. So type here 20, and in unit type UM. So 1 pixel is 7.39. So we now have set our length here. So let's take this. Sorry, we have not cleared this. So go to edit, clear, save. So now we already have this. Control M. So this is 14.488. Let's take another measurement. It's 14.1. Let's take from another place. 14.37. Let's take from another place. Again 13.9 from another fiber. This is 14. We'll take from this fiber. This is 13.6 from this fiber. It's 12.57. Lastly from here is 13.5. We have a lot of measurements. Let's summarize the results. So our mean value is 13.8. So we have clearly the difference of almost 1 micron. With the surface treatment, the diameter is changed almost 1 micron. Clear this. So we have a lot of other tools like this rectangle. We can measure the area like this. Click here, drag and drop here. Now click M, you can drag and this as well. So the area is 311, and this minimum and maximum are not necessary here. So you can make another one. There are other options as well, like this oval shape. You can make it here, and you can drag from the points and make it oval like or circle, whatever you want. Control M, and this is the area of this oval shape. You can measure some angle here as well, this and this. Control M. So here we got 29.066 angle. We can use this tool. Click, 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 click. We can draw any shape here. Control M, and this is the area of this drawn shape. And we can use this tool as well. Like this, and Control M. This is the area of this shape. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.